Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we will see how we can change the color theme of ChatGPT. Also, I wonder why you want to change the color theme of your ChatGPT. It is because you are somebody who doesn't prefer the dark theme, so you want to go with a brighter theme. Or maybe you're the opposite, you prefer the darker theme, so you want to enable it. So whatever the reason, it could be for you to change the color theme of ChatGPT. In this video, I'll show you how easily you can do that. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, unlock your mobile phone and then you have to open a browser. It could be any browser of your choice. Right now, I'm just gonna go with the Google Chrome, but you can use any kind of other browser. So just simply open it and search for ChatGPT. And then you will get this first link. Make sure that you open that same link because if you open another link then you might end up on a wrong website. So just simply click on it and then OpenAI website will open. From there you can select this option which says try ChatGPT. You just have to simply click on it and then you will get onto the ChatGPT homepage. And from there you can like search things and can do your work. So now what we have to do is first we have to see that the current theme is the dark theme and we only have the one theme like dark theme. If you enable it then it will turn into a dark theme, and if you disable it then you will get the lighter theme. So just click on these three lines, these one, and then you will see few options. From these options you have to select the settings option which is below the page. You just have to simply click on settings and there you will see this option which says dark mode. Right now it is on, that means we have the dark theme of ChatGPT. So if you want to make it a brighter one, if you click on it, as you can see it just turned into white. But if you again want to make it into a dark theme, then again go to these three lines which is on the top left side of the screen. Once you click these three lines you will get few options, and then few options you have to select settings and then enable it, and then it will again get darker. So that's how you can change the theme of ChatGPT from dark mode to light mode. Basically ChatGPT has only one theme which is dark mode. So if you enable it you will get the darker mode, but if you disable it you will get the lighter mode. So that's how it works. So whatever mode you prefer you can select it. If you're using ChatGPT at night time, then I would suggest you that you go with the dark mode. And if you are in daytime, especially in sunlight, then you have to go with the lighter mode because it will be easy for you to view and use ChatGPT. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the color theme of ChatGPT or OpenAI. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.